This is the S&P 500 SPDR ETF SPY one-day reading for September 20th, 2024. It's currently July 30th, 2024, 2:52 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading is $541.26, that's USD. And the September 25 was created on June 27, 2024, 12:51 p.m. Eastern Time. That's the overall theme and behavior for SPY on the 20th. We have a notable decline here. Yeah, it's a strong cross-reading congruency. So on the monthly, the theme card on the monthly for the 20th is the universe card, and here it is as a theme card for the daily as well. Sharp decline here. It looks like we have near the high a pop and a drop, and then if behavior around the lowest low, we have a decline off of a near overbought crest through multiple support levels. It's nullified, however, indicating that we probably rise back at, like, we finish off of the highs most likely. And the trade card's also nullified, but it's something having to do with a big move starting out of a decline from the bottom of range all the way to the top of range.
Now, we're going to get into the hour-by-hour chart behavior, as well as timing the highs, the lows, and the best trade opportunities. But before we do that, I just want to make sure you're aware. The whole purpose of the channel is to transmute some of the competitive energy of the stock market into goodwill. And we do that by following the rule of karma for the channel. It's a threefold agreement between the universe and anybody utilizing this information for personal gain. Nothing wrong with gaining from this information as long as you are simultaneously helping other people. So the way that you do that is you go to our website, Tarot for Traders.
To the resources tab, 5% of all profits should be donated forward to one of these charities here. Just click a link and donate. It's super easy. And 5% of the profit should be donated back to the channel through one of these links. If you're international, you can use the app Wise, it's reliable, or you can use crypto. There's a ton of different QR codes for crypto donations.
It leaves you at 90%. That's way more than a stockbroker would ever leave you with. With that said, guys, make sure to follow through on that rule of karma. As long as you do that, the universe considers you an angel investor of the channel. It's going to set it back to you tenfold for following through. Blessings to all my angel investors. Let's get back into it.
So in the pre-market, we open higher, and then there's likely a lot of price change to the upside there in the pre-market. Matter of fact, it looks like we open higher, decline in the pre-market, and then there's a big move at the open. Out of some sideways rotation, big move to the upside, and probably oversold territory as well, and then more sideways rotation at a higher price level. That's followed by the sharp decline that we're seeing here as the cross-trading congruency, taking us off of that big move higher into a low for the day around 11 o'clock. There's a big move to the upside, even like a breakout out of that low, and then there's three pokes through the same price level between roughly 10 and 11, between roughly 11 and 12, three pokes through the same trend line, followed by a sharp drop off of that third poke. The full card in the mid portion of the day indicating a significant opportunity taking place there. Looks like there's more decline there. There's also a cash out opportunity. We're gonna have to look at that in more detail. Hard to see. I would say check out our live streams that we have almost every weekday between 3 and 4 p.m. Eastern time. When we get a little closer to September, I'll probably have more of an idea of what that opportunity is, but it's a little unclear. Between roughly 1 and 2, there's a prominent move higher followed by a full retracement. We break through key resistance, stay above briefly, break back down through it shortly thereafter with the full retracement. That retracement, however, turns into another, like out of the retracement to the downside, big move to the upside. It looks like out of a trough. There's a big move higher out of like there's a big move higher pushing the upper end of a range higher between roughly 2 and 3. And then a lot of price change to the downside right around 3 o'clock to a trough. Won't be a lowest low, but there's a trough there. And then it looks like we have like a U-shaped dip in the last hour, followed by another decline right at the close to revisit a support level that we recently met once before. Yeah, and it looks like we probably come back to, like, the second peak on that U-shaped dip is probably the following day. So we have like this drop off of this peak here between 2 and 3, and then we like come back to it here with this lust card on the 23rd. Sneak preview for the following day, or for the following trading day, decline offering opportunity to open up a long position, close short positions. Yeah, the more I look at it, the more this full card opportunity is looking like a opportunity to close along and open up a short. It would be close along if you opened up long here at the end of the day, most likely. That's SPY for the 20th of September. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to let me know what you think by hitting that like button, and as always, make sure to follow that rule of karma. You know where to go, you know what to do. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.